Hey guys! So I'm here finally. I'm sorry to keep you guys waiting. So I have all these lovely questions from Anushri. What would be my definition of a perfect day? Just my normal, regular, boring life. No controversy. Nothing to get my blood pressure up and going. Yeah, that would be my normal, boring life. As for Shani, what is the most exciting thing I've ever done on a holiday? I recently went to the Maldives and I was actually walking around and I saw the sand shark right next to my feet. So I nearly had a heart attack over there till I realized that sand sharks really at that age cannot eat people. And so yeah, that was recently one of the most exciting things that I've done on a holiday. And Teresa, would I ever like to do a typical Sanjay Leela Bhansali film? Yeah, sure. No two ways about it. But I don't know whether I'm the right. I don't know whether I will have the right presence of mind or the perfection of posture to be a Sanjay Leela Bhansali heroine. And how do I deal with the negativity and hate? Honestly, I think you have to take a deep breath, let it go, and find at least one slice of humor about it. If I don't, and if I feel that I cannot do it, then I have a nice long cry and I am over it. Okay. So Merv, why are you so careful? How can I not be careful while selecting a film? If I did more films than this, I would not enjoy the process and you wouldn't enjoy watching me. Why are you not active on Instagram like before? Of course I'm active, but it's just that now I just have to find something just nice to put up. When I feel I find something, I do. Mazi, I have written many fictional stories for you. If I send it to you, yes, but please don't send it in the comment column. Metha, what special thing did you do on your birthday and who was the first person to wish you? The first person to wish me was my husband because he was there with me at 12 o'clock at night. And what did I do? What special thing did I do on my birthday? I cut about 7 cakes which everybody else had gifted me, and everybody was wondering, why are you cutting so many cakes? I was like, well, it's my birthday. I can do whatever I feel like it. What special gift did I get? Well, actually my husband presented me with a Being Human cycle, the electric one. So I was seriously kicked with it, and my next project is to take it out when it's not raining. Ooh, okay. Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much, Indonesia. And I think VIP 2 is releasing on the 11th of August worldwide. So it is definitely coming to your country and hopefully you'll be able to catch it. Let me know. Alea, the genre of the movie which will go on floors in September, it is going to be a kind of a humorous, it's a funny film. It's funny, it's real, and I absolutely love the script. I loved my character and I think you're going to seriously enjoy it. Okay, Dr. Faz, what was your first thought when you woke up this morning? What was my first thought when I woke up this morning was that, oh, I have to get to work because I was late, and that is not a usual occurrence with me. So yes, have my coffee, drink fast, do everything fast. Yeah, everything was at like lightning speed today. We've all made some seriously bad purchases. So what are yours? I don't know really. I'm okay with most of the stuff. I think I've bought tops that are too small for me. I believe that I am a smaller size. That really hurts me. But then I just blame it on the brand and say that they have not made it well. Aska, what is the most special gift you got from your fans? Well, one of the most amazing things that they have given me, all of them, is their unconditional love and, from years. And I want to introduce you to somebody who is so cool. Sangeeta, come here. Where are you? So recently I got felicitated for Sangeeta! So recently I got felicitated for completing 25 years in the film industry, and I want to introduce you to somebody who has also completed 25 years in the film industry, making me look good, making me look like all this hair happens in the morning. I wake up in the morning and my hair flies from here to there, and there's a natural wind machine over there to make me look beautiful every morning. So that's one of the people who makes me look gorgeous, beautiful, and that's one of the reasons why you guys love me. So thank you so much, all you guys, and I really appreciate it. Keep it coming. That's it. बंद करो